Creating a horror storytelling video for TikTok using an AI tool like Videogen requires a blend of creativity, planning, and an understanding of what captivates viewers in a short, engaging format. In this guide, you'll learn step-by-step how to craft a spine-chilling narrative, structure your content for maximum impact, and use Videogen's features to bring your horror story to life. Whether you're a seasoned creator or just starting out, these tips will help you produce content that both terrifies and enthralls your audience. I've dropped the link down below in the description, so it's easy for you to find. Once you land on the homepage, you'll see a big red button that says, Get Started. Go ahead and click that. Sign up for an account. You'll get two simple options: sign in with Google or register using your email. Begin by conceptualizing your story. Think about the type of horror you want to convey. Will it be supernatural, psychological, or perhaps a blend of both? Consider classic horror elements: urban legends, haunted places, mysterious disappearances, or unsettling encounters with the unknown. Remember, with TikTok's short format, your story needs to hook viewers quickly. Start with a compelling idea, such as a mysterious phone call in the middle of the night, an abandoned house rumored to be cursed, or a chilling diary found in someone's attic. Jot down your basic plot, establish your setting, introduce your main character, and outline the sequence of eerie events. Next, focus on the opening lines. The first few seconds are crucial to grab attention. Craft an introduction that immediately draws viewers in. For example, you might start with, "It was supposed to be an ordinary night, but something was waiting for me in the darkness." Or, "They warned us never to take the shortcut through the woods, but curiosity got the better of us." These hooks create a sense of intrigue and suspense, encouraging viewers to keep watching. Now, plan your story's structure. Since TikTok videos are short, aim for 3 distinct acts: the setup, the encounter, and the aftermath. In the setup, establish your character and their motivation. What are they doing and why are they there? In the encounter, introduce the horror element, the ghostly figure, the inexplicable noise, or the shadow that seems to move on its own. Use vivid and concise descriptions to paint a picture in your viewer's mind. In the aftermath, reveal the consequences. Did your character escape? Was there a terrifying twist? Leave your audience with a lingering sense of unease or a final shocking moment. Once your story is outlined, it's time to script your narration. Write in a conversational, suspenseful tone, as if you're confiding a terrifying secret to a friend. Use short sentences and sensory details to immerse your audience in the scene. For example, "The air grew cold. I could see my breath hanging in the moonlight. Then, from the darkness, I heard footsteps, slow, deliberate, getting closer with each second." Engage the senses. Describe what your character sees, hears, and feels. The more real it feels, the more effective the horror. With your script ready, open Videogen and select your preferred video format. Videogen offers various templates and customization options. Look for ones that enhance the eerie atmosphere, such as dark, moody backgrounds, flickering lights, or subtle animations. If you're using AI-generated visuals, input key scenes from your script to generate images or short clips that match your story. A deserted hallway, a foggy forest, or a pair of glowing eyes in the darkness. In Videogen, add your narration. You can use the platform's AI voiceover features or record your own voice for a more personal touch. When recording, speak slowly and vary your tone. Whisper during tense moments, pause for effect, and let your fear come through in your voice. This adds authenticity and heightens the suspense. Enhance your video with sound effects and music. Creepy soundscapes like distant thunder, creaking doors, or an eerie wind can make your story much more immersive. Videogen's library may offer suitable sounds, or you can upload your own. Choose a subtle, tension-building background track that doesn't overpower your narration, but adds to the overall mood. Remember, in horror, silence can be just as powerful as sound. Use pauses wisely to let tension build. As you assemble your video, pay attention to pacing. Don't rush through the story. Give each moment space to breathe. Hold on certain visuals or allow a beat of silence after a scary revelation. Use text overlays for key phrases or to emphasize twists such as, "But when I turned around, no one was there." These visual cues can reinforce the suspense and guide viewers through your narrative. Before finalizing, preview your video. Watch it from a viewer's perspective. Does the story flow smoothly? Is the horror element clear and effective? Are the visuals and sounds enhancing, not distracting from, the narrative? Make adjustments as needed. Tighten up the script, adjust the timing, or swap out visuals for greater impact. When you're satisfied with your horror video, export it in the format best suited for TikTok, typically vertical, 9:16 aspect ratio. Add a captivating caption that encourages engagement, such as, "Would you dare spend a night here?" or "Tag a friend who would never try this." Use relevant hashtags like #HorrorStory, #CreepyTikTok, or #paranormal to reach your target audience. Finally, share your video at a time when your audience is most active, often in the evenings or late at night when people are more receptive to scary content. Engage with viewers who comment, respond to their theories or reactions, and encourage them to share their own scary experiences. Building this community around your content will increase your reach and inspire ideas for future videos. To keep your audience coming back for more, consider turning your horror stories into a series. You might create recurring characters, explore different urban legends, or invite viewers to submit their own spooky tales for you to narrate. Consistency and creativity are key to growing your following on TikTok. In summary, creating a horror storytelling video for TikTok with Videogen involves crafting a gripping narrative, scripting suspenseful and immersive narration, leveraging chilling visuals and sound effects, and optimizing your content for the platform's unique style. With attention to detail and a willingness to experiment, you can turn simple ideas into unforgettable tales that haunt your viewers long after the video ends. So gather your courage, unleash your imagination, and start telling stories that send shivers down the spine, one TikTok at a time.